Hello friends, in this video I will tell you how we can create a PPT. So go to the PowerPoint and open it. Above side you can see there is a category available. You can click on anyone. I click on education. Now you can see in the right side there is a many categories available. In drop down menu you can select which one you like. So I want to go with the education. Yeah. So you can select anyone, any slide or any template which you want, but okay, let's see, we will go with this nature ecology education. Click on create and it will download. Yeah, so it will download and open it. Now we can see that there is a many slides available. You can edit this, so you can type your title whatever it is, like I type education. Yep, so that's how you can type this. Now go to the file menu. If you want to save as, then you go to the save as, and which folder you want to select, you can select that folder and save this. Click on save and it will going to automatically save to your folder. In open menu you can see that there is a presentation available which you made today or yesterday, last week, all presentation available. If you want to open any presentation, just click on that and it will open. Go back. Okay, if you want to create a new presentation, then go to the new. If you want a blank presentation, then go to the blank. Yeah, so it is blank presentation. Now you want to create something new, you can create. I simply delete this and I want to write something in here, you can write. So this is how we can create a presentation by itself, or we can select a presentation from this file menu and go to the new, and which category we like, we can select the presentation. This is how you can create a new presentation. I hope you like this video. Thank you.